Hi guys, another video, and today I am actually joined by our friend Isabel. And yes, I'm sorry, I do slime like all the time, but yeah, these are our new songs. We just made them last night. Yeah, I stayed up till like 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, mine's called Birthday Surprise because it's got sparkles in it and it just looks like a birthday surprise.
I don't name my slimes.
Oh, she didn't name her slimes.
Sorry if we start watching TV. We're watching Colin's Key. And yeah. I'll show you what I'm doing after I make it with my son. Yeah. You wanna say hi? There's a bill. Huh? Okay, I'm almost done with it. Just have to keep stretching it. I think I need to move it like up. Auto. So move all this off. Yes, we make this slime that crunches a lot.
Oh no.
Well, sorry. Well, I'm gonna try that one more time. Tape 2. So I'm gonna start from right here or down here. I'm gonna stretch it first. Warm it up and stretch it. Flop, flop, flop down, flop down.
No. Oh no.
We're sorry that happened. No. Hey, you wanna say hi? You wanna say hi to the camera?
Oh my God.
Say hi.
Hi.
Oh no. Yeah. He said hi. That's Jackson.
Hi.
Yeah. Hi. You're silly. You're a silly buddy.
What you doing, Jackson? I'm trying to look at the camera. Oh. The camera. Yeah.
Thought he fell on his face.
Where'd he go?
Up there. Can't do it
He
anymore.
fell on his face. Did you ever see a Hatchable? Look at this thing.
It moves and talks.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna try it one more time.
His eyes not light up? The battery might be dead.
Yeah, the battery is good, I think.
I got zero.
Because like
Batteries. Yeah. Batteries.
it wouldn't work when you know that.
No, it's on.
Sorry if you hear background noises because
If you set him on the hard floor, he'll walk.
it's a full house.
Downstairs and put him on the hard floor.
But yeah, like full
Put
house.
him like this.
But here's the thing that I was gonna show you. It's not that big, but it makes bubbles when you do it, and it's so cool. Like you can just play with the bubbles till they pop. And yeah, I don't know. We might just like record today because like a lot today because like or I don't know what we'll do, but hopefully you stay tuned and watch them. And what other thing was I gonna say? I'll probably be recording all week now since our cousins in town. Well, both our cousin and our aunt. Yeah. So, I'm sorry this was a short video, but I hope you liked it and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, hit the bell, and share it if you want to. Bye.